This video will show you how to log into MT4 Android app and also MT5 Android app. If you have login details from your broker or you are using free MetaQuotes demo account, you can log in with those credentials. First of all, the first step to log into MT4 Android app, you need to open this app. I have already opened this app, and when you do not have any accounts in MT4 already open, you have not logged before, you will have an empty window. The first step that you will do, you will click in the upper left corner and click Get Started. This will log into existing account or open a demo account. I will give you a step-by-step guide how to how to log in to an existing account. You have another video how to open a new demo account, so I will not show this here in this lesson. First step is go to the upper right corner where the plus sign is and click the plus button, which will open a new window which will require from you to decide, do you want to open a demo account or log in to an existing account. In this case, I will log in to an existing account and I will use MetaQuotes free demo account, and I will type here which broker is that. I will simply start MetaQuotes, and from the list below you will choose MetaQuotes demo. This is the broker server that is free to use for the demo account, so you do not need a real broker to get this account. For start with the trading as a beginner, this is the best way how to start. Then you have two lines where you need to put a login data and also a password. I will enter my login data and the password. And if you want to save this password for the next time when you log into MT4 app, you can click on this checkbox and you will save the password. So the next time when you want to log into an existing account, you will not need to enter login and also a password. When you are done, click the sign in button below and wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds, if everything is okay, you will get an account details here with the account balance, and also in the upper right corner you will have a green mark saying it's a demo account. So this means you have successfully logged to your account. You can go to the charts, you can go to the quotes, and also you can check the trades that are currently open. Sometimes if it happens that you have entered incorrect password, you will get notification. So to show you what will happen if you enter wrong details, I will right now show you. I will delete this account and I will start again from the beginning. Click the plus sign to log in to an existing account, select MetaQuotes, here it is already, and enter login account on 203804663 and enter same password. For example, I will put a wrong password and I will click sign in. Wait for a few seconds and you can see there is no green mark for the demo account. This means it's invalid login data. So this means you cannot use this account and also details from this account. You see that the trade tab, the chart tab is empty and you get information authorization failed. This means that you need to connect to your trading account again with the correct password and also login account. Go in the upper left corner where the menu is, click manage accounts, and you will get here where the accounts window is. Now I will log in again to this account, but I will delete and make the steps from the beginning. Click the plus sign, log in to an existing account, select MetaQuotes demo and enter the login. and the password. When you are done, click sign in button, and here it is. I have successfully logged to the demo account on MT4 Android app. This is all for the MT4. Now let me show you an MT5. When you open MT5 trading app on your smartphone, you need to make the same steps as in MT4 case. When you open an MT5 application on your Android smartphone, go into the left upper corner and click on the Get Started. You will be redirected here to the Accounts window, where you need to click the plus sign in the upper right corner, which will move you to the next step where you need to find a broker. In my case, I already have Metaquotes here, but you can also type it here again to find desired broker server that you will use on MT5 Android app. So in my case, I will use Metaquotes with a free demo account, and I will select it. Then you need to enter your login and password details, and if you want to open a new demo account, you can click up there to this option, open a demo account to learn trading and to test your strategies. First of all, enter your login 635000785 and the password. Just a minute. Okay, the server stays Metaquotes demo and save password for the next time, so I do not need to enter again these details. Click the login button, and in a few seconds the demo account is here. I have logged to demo account. I can see a green mark in the upper right corner which says demo. I can go to the quotes, I can go to the charts, and I can also go to the trade tab where my account balance is. So in the upper left corner where the trade is, you can click again manage accounts, and I will show you now what happens if you enter wrong password or login account detail. I will close this account, so I will start again from the beginning. Click the plus sign. I will not find broker because it is here, Metaquotes, and I will enter a login details 635000785, and I will enter some password which will be invalid. Click the login, and in a few seconds you will get a message authorization failed. And also here in this account you will not see a green mark in the upper right corner which should show a demo, but this means you do not have a proper login details. So you need to enter correct login details here where the password is or where the login account is. So I will click here the correct one, and I will sign in. And here it is. I have entered correct account login and also account password. So I have in the upper right corner a green mark which says demo, which means I have logged in correctly to my MT5 Android app account. I can see charts, quotes, and also a trade tab where my account balance is. So if you have more than one account, it will be listed here, but you can be logged only to one account at the same time. So if you have more accounts below, you will click on it and log in, so you will be logged out from the first account. So this is all from MT4 and MT5 trading apps on your smartphone. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the description below the video, and also if you want to see more videos, go to the channel and see them. If you want to be notified for the next time, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading!